Hi everyone, welcome to HowtoLogin. I'm back with another video on how to sign up or enroll for online banking on gatecity.bank. Keep watching the video till the end in order to learn how and subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon so that you never miss another future update from us. Start off by opening up a web browser. Soon after you do that, go to the URL box at the top and type in www.gatecity.bank and enter. You'll end up in the official website of gatecity.bank. At the upper right hand, you should see a box where you can enter your credentials and log into your account if you already have one. But if you'd like to enroll for online banking since you don't, click on the sign up link. Soon after you do that, you'll be taken to the registration page. Start off by typing in your first name in order to sign up. Now, if available, type in your middle name on the next field and then your last name. Type in your social security number on the next field. Make sure to type them correct. Now, if you'd like to double check before moving on, you can click this show link right beside your box. Now, head over to the next field and type in your birth date information. If you have a foreign address, you can check this little box right here and then fill in the rest of the information. If not, simply enter your address into the address text field. Type in the name of your city on the next. Select your state. Type in your zip code. Select your account type from the drop down and then type in your account number. Mention your phone number in the next field and then finally type in your email address. Make sure to type in the information that matches your record that you used while opening up your bank account. And finally, after everything's done, click on the submit button in order to move on to the next step. After that, simply follow the on-screen prompts and you'll be able to enroll for online banking for gatecity.bank. With an online banking account, you'll be able to get easy access to your account with your mobile device or your computer from anywhere at any time. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial contents like this. Thank you for watching.